Backlogs are getting out of control. Day 1 of fixing my backlogs. 20 lectures pending. 7 days left. Starting today. Let's begin. Hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Backlog Buster. Let's study together. I'm CBSE class 12th grader and I have built a backlog of 20 lectures. So I'm starting a 7-day challenge to finish everything. Daily target, 3 lectures. Method lectures notes PPT revised. Timer started. Watching lectures and making notes side by side. Lecture 1 complete. Stay strong, stay focused. Lecture 2 complete. Lecture 3 complete. Starting is the hardest part, but once you begin, it gets easier. Be consistent. Day 1 complete. 3 lectures done. Progress 320. Comment Day 1 if you are starting today. Comment your progress, guys. See you on Day 2.